This is 827 Browders Chapel Road, a calendar-like country getaway in Hiltons, Virginia, where time passes a little slower, wildlife plays a little harder, and front porch sitting is a daily activity. You're getting a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, ranch-style home with a full basement, garage and carport parking for 6, a 720 square foot studio apartment which makes for an excellent AirBNB income-producing opportunity. A large barn with 4 horse stalls and 2 spring-fed ponds. Hunt, shoot, garden, farm, camp, play, or just relax on the 89 acres of land that makes all of this possible. Check it out from above. I'm gonna take this guy for a spin. Seth Jervis, Century 21 Legacy.